Hey guys, today I want to show you how to cut open a pineapple, and this is how you do it. Okay, so first off, we need to get rid of this tag and this big bushy thing, whatever that is. So you're just going to cut it right down there and get rid of it. I'm going to get my trash can. Okay, in the trash. Flip it. Now this is a bit kind of sideways here, so let's flatten this part so we get a good cutting surface, because we're going to stand it on its end there. Nice. Now we're going to take off all this hard husk right here. So you're going to go at an angle and kind of come around the sides like this. Try to get mostly just the husk and not the good meat. So go shallow as possible. You can always take a little off. Just like that. So then we'll do that all the way around. Next, we're going to cut it right down the middle, down this core right here, because this is all kind of not good. Right down the middle. And then, this is very hard. You don't want to eat that. So we're going to go at an angle here. About 3/4 of the way down, not all the way. I almost went all the way, but that's alright. Cut it down. See if we got all the way through. Nope, not all the way through. We'll cut that out. That's the core. You don't want that. Trash it. Next one. That's it. Okay, now this is the good stuff. So, cut that off. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. And do the rest in the same fashion. And that's how you do it. And that's how you cut open a pineapple. 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 Like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.